Put on your headphones. Tribit Studio presents.
We're almost there. The four profits will be ours. The biggest haul in the West. Let's get out of here. You've gotta trust me, Wade. You've got to trust me. Listen to those bastards crying for mercy before you shoot! Let's get this over with!
Welcome to a Western drama. Western Drama.
Navigate through the menu options using the left and right swipes. Select an option by swiping up. Go back by swiping down. To leave the game and go back to the main menu, swipe down with two fingers.
Continue. New game. Select chapter. Chapter 1. What changes you? Chapter 6. The last prompt. Chapter 6. The Last Prophet.
Come forward. Yeah? How can I help you?
Mr. Milton, my name is Wade Farr. I'm here to offer you a deal.
A deal? What kind of deal?
I know you're interested in the natives' territories.
I certainly am, my friend. The government is expanding, and we are proposing new contracts.
Don't jerk me around, Mr. Milton. I'm one of yours.
I don't get it.
The contracts you propose are phony, and that land is taken by violence. By you and your men.
Steady on, friend. By violence, that's a rather strong word. Sure, sometimes we are forced to use a more direct approach, but that's because there are greater interests at stake. We are paid by honest men.
Like you. You know, this doesn't interest me. I just came here to do business. But I want to know everything about the people I'm dealing with.
Tell me, Mr. Farr. Tell me, please. Mr. Milton has nothing to hide.
I don't care whether someone has a past that's very different to the present. I just want to deal with honest folk.
You can ask me anything, my good friend, without hesitation.
A few years ago, you had some problems with the law, didn't you?
Oh, that. Yes, I used to commit petty crimes. Nothing unusual.
Oh, I heard a different story. You were the notorious Seth Milton, if I recall. who raided wagon trains and was one of the government's most wanted men.
Sir, I don't understand what you're driving at.
Oh, I like sincerity. It ain't enough to spruce yourself up and use flowery speech to hide the past.
Now you're offending me. I meant that I know what you're talking about, but now I'm completely clean. The government has canceled any kind of bounty on my head. That past no longer exists. The people who matter in this country wiped the slate clean.
You see, Mr. Milton, I never believed this. In recent years, you've taken land away from the natives on behalf of the government, and that's the only reason you've been pardoned. But I reckon a bounty like yours, well, bounty like yours lasts forever. I've come to claim that bounty. It was a good negotiation, Seth.
Hey, stop! Mr. Milton Drama. Come on, let's go see.
Here they come.
Mr. Milton, everything okay? Mr. Milton? Come on, let's go in. What happened here?
Oh, take cover!
Milton, I took the liberty of extending the bounty to the bastards who were with you. You know, it is a question of money. I've concluded my best deal. Farewell, Seth Milton. a Western drama.
Navigate.
Continue. Do you really want to quit?